The following episode of Dad vs. Daughter was made possible by a contribution from Simon. Hello and welcome to another special unboxing episode of Dad vs. Daughter. I'm Tim the Dad, and today I'm going to open up Unfair from Simon. Now, this is a game where we're going to be creating our own theme park, and Megan and I really enjoyed playing Roller Coaster Tycoon back in the day. So let's open it up and see what's inside. First thing I got to mention is I think the artwork on the cover of this game is really kind of cool. You got your nice big roller coaster there. You've got your Ferris wheel. You've got some of your other park attractions. And then you got your city back here with lightning coming down. So not really sure about how that part fits into this. But let's flip this over and take a look at the back of the box here. Unfair. That guy looks just too cheerful. Build, bribe, blackmail, all the fun of the fair. So a lot of take that, I'm assuming, in this game. Something that Megan and I really enjoy. So let's go ahead and open this up. You can see we have our rule book here. Building and operating a tabletop. Oh, this is kind of neat. You see where it looks like there's an F there. So instead of funfair, it's unfair. So very colorful. Nice illustrations. How to build a theme park. All right, so it looks like we have our game board here. Oops. So it is double-sided. I'm assuming it's based on the number of players. I'm trying to see if I can tell. Or maybe it's just an alternate way of playing. So once again, it looks really kind of cool. So it looks like there's a couple of different ways to play, because on this side you've got market spots up here and you've got market spots down there. So interesting. Then it looks like we have a couple of maybe player aids. Only two, which is kind of odd. So now this looks good. Let's take a look at these. So these are already punched out, which is something you don't normally get. I'm not going to dump the rest of these out, but these are nice, thick cardboard chits. Looks like you have different possibly denominations based on attraction or something. I'm not sure. I've not played this. And I'm assuming this is first player. That's actually kind of cool. So the game comes with a score pad and a, oh, I thought I said, yeah, there it is, and a pencil. This is interesting. This might be the first player marker. Looks pretty cool. It's detail on that. Couple of dice, so regular D6s. And then we have a bunch of cards, and it looks like they are anticipating expansions based on the number of other open slots here. So let's just take a look at what the cards have. So in this deck we get a scoring summary card and a round summary. And it looks like the backs are different, so we have different types of cards here. So these are park. So looks like we have, oh, we even have hotels. Grand Mayfair, Grand Plaza, Grand Regent. So here's different things. Car chase, shooting gallery. I think the art is really looking cool. That's the weird guy that was on the back of the box. Offshore count, casino. Looks very interesting. Also, looks like it encompasses a lot of things that are not just rides in the park. Gangster theme. That's kind of cool. Okay, so like I said, that was the park deck. A couple of showcases. So the shakedown and the print shop. And then we have events. And those we got quite a few of those. Put those over here. First in line, dumpster diving. So all different kinds. A lot of text on the cards. We have blueprints. So complete all items. Car chase with any upgrades. So these look like bonus scoring we can get. Maybe if we're the first to complete that, then we're going to get 10 points. This is considered easy. There's medium, and there is insane. It goes right from medium to insane. That's kind of insane. Next we have city, but we have a couple of different cities. We have blue and red, and let's see if there's really any difference. There's 3 here and 3 blues. So we have a loan card. Looks like I might just be telling you what you get based on your various loans. So like a reference card, it looks like maybe. We have a gate, and it shows the main gate. Gangster. Hotels, a casino, and offshore accounts. Big money. Additional rules. Requires 2 6-sided dice. So maybe these are different modes that we can play. Let's see. So there's more on this. Attraction size, blueprints, coins, unfairness. Like that. That's kind of funny. And we have a few cards here that don't have anything on there. But let's see. Game changers. World peace. Sorry, we're closed. The moose out front should have told you. City plan office blueprint department is now closed. Blueprint access by events or buildings only. Public notice: after this round, blueprints will not be available as a park action. Events and abilities only. So, looks like a lot of different ways that are going to give you a lot of different experiences. I'm going to open up this. Now, it looks like all these decks kind of have like they're almost pre-constructed. I don't know if that's the way it's supposed to be or not. I'll have to read through the rules. But we had Gangster, and here is Jungle, and we're seeing a lot of the same cards. Here's a main gate. There's the loan. Here's the blueprint or the city cards. There's the blueprints, and so forth. So they might need to have these in a certain way. I'm not sure, or maybe they're just this is how they package them. So although there was comfortable seats that we had in the other one. So it makes me kind of think that maybe we need to keep these together. I don't know. For those of you that have played it, you can leave a note in the comments. So I'm going to keep these decks all together at the moment, or separate, I mean. I'll open this one up. This is Ninja. So just looking at this, it doesn't look like there's anything different. Looks like they have, you've got your park cards, you've got your showcases, your events, your blueprints, your cities. Yeah. So let's just kind of look through these real quick. Oops. Guess I got these upside down. Your main gate. Looks like maybe some of these are different. These are the cities are a little different. So we got a difficult blueprint there. Ooh, Shadow Dragon. Looks cool. Ninja Trick House. Comfortable seating. Only on thrill rides. Wow, that looks intense. I would not go on a ride like that. So it does look like we have different themes here. So based on that, looks like we might have 6. So we have vampire, blood drive. Yeah, these all look like they are geared toward that. And it looks like they might have a symbol down at the bottom of these so that you can easily sort these. Vlad's Impaler, Renfield Steakhouse. Ooh, haunted house. Licensed character. That's kind of funny. Ooh, the Batwing element. Comfortable seating. Very important, along with air conditioning, lockers and such. Ooh, look at that. That looks pretty cool. All right, we got the robot. You can see the robot. Your blueprints. Twister, roller coaster, monorail. I want to sing the monorail song. Comfortable seats. Oh, restrooms, very important. Air conditioning, vending machines. All right, we have one left, and, well, maybe not. Okay, so got some of those game changer cards. We have another gangster here too. I'm not really sure what the difference is in that, unless that's maybe based on player count that they're recommending you play with the gangster. Not sure. Again, once I read through the rules, I'll have a better idea. So easy, medium, and insane. Let's shake down. There's those hotels. Ooh, the Grand Plaza kind of looks like the Mirage in Vegas. Comfortable seating. Ooh, relaxation pool. Swim up bar. There's your lockers and the gangster theme. So like I said, I'm going to keep these separate. In fact, I'll just put these back in the box like so. Hopefully they're not going to go flying out all over the place, although they probably will. And that is unfair. And we will catch you guys next time. If you would like to support us, you can visit patreon.com/dadvdaughter.
Like and follow us on Facebook to stay current on our show schedule, sneak peeks at future shows, and to interact with us.